Hello guys, in this small video I'm going to be talking about the clearance today. Clearance is a very important for you guys. So when you drive in the car, especially in the narrow roads, you can see there's some cars parked on the left and some on the right as well. Now when you're driving in this situation, examiner would expect you to leave 1 meter clearance from the object. It could be parked cars, it could be skip, could be lorry, could be truck, could be anything. What is 1 meter? 1 meter, I would say to my learner, is about an open doors width. So you need to make sure that we must give an open door length from the both sides, from the right and from the left as well. It's mainly from that side as well, because most of the car will park on the left side. So I'm going to quickly demonstrate to you how this works, and I hope you will understand this. So I'm just going to drive my car now. I'm going to drive, checking my mirrors, signal, left, the right shoulder check, and start moving now. So as you can see, there's a car parked over there. So change of direction, I'll check my mirror, but now I have no other option but to move my car slightly to the right, because I have to give 1 meter clearance from the left. 1 meter means an open doors width. So I'm giving about an open door width from this parked car there. I just want to clear this, guys. If I see any car coming by now, I would try to go into this gap over here and stop in such a way that I can give 1 car's length, and I will stop my car about here in about 1 car length. Once the car goes, I will check my mirrors again, and I will try to give 1 meter clearance, 1 doors width again when you are passing this parked cars. If you try to go less than 1 meter, most likely examiner will fail you. So please make sure whenever you are passing any park objects, we must give 1 meter or an open doors width clearance. So I hope this small video will help you. Always remember, do forward planning, and if you need me to make videos for any other topic, please do let me know. Thank you.